Let's Go to the Moon, written by Stephen R. Swinburne. Blast off! Would you like to fly to the moon? Let's go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off! The flight. It can take 4 days to get to the moon. A rocket helps us blast into space. We ride in the spaceship at the top of the rocket. There are no plants or animals on the moon. There is no water or air. The moon has rocks, dust, and craters. A crater is a big hole. The surface of the moon is dusty and has many craters. Spacesuits. It's time to put on our spacesuits. Spacesuits help keep our skin safe from the very hot sun and the very cold shade. This is astronaut Ronald Evans wearing his spacesuit. The spacesuits have air in them so we can breathe. Now we are dressed for our walk on the moon. Moonwalk. Walking on the moon is fun. We can take big, light steps. We are very light because the moon has less gravity than Earth. We carry space tools with us. We have jobs to do here. Moon rocks. We find rocks and bits of dust to bring back home. We will show the rocks to people back on Earth. We drive around in our lunar rover. It's even more fun than walking in our fat spacesuits. Look at all the dust the lunar rover kicks up. Taking pictures. We take pictures of our footprints. We take pictures of our spaceship too. Our flag is up. Let's take one last look before we go. We see rocks and dust. Let's go home. It's time to go back home. What is it like to be on the moon? It's strange and fun at the same time. When you look up and see the moon, what do you think? Our moon is beautiful.